Let's talk about the V word, not vagina. Literally, the V word. When we talk like that about reproductive health, we're apologizing. So consider this an unapology. From Annovera. It's a new annual birth control ring. It goes in your vagina. Vagina. It lasts for a whole year. You put it in, and then once a month, you pull it out. You go to the pharmacy once. There are 0 procedures, because 0 is the number of procedures we prefer. What we've put up with just to not get pregnant is not normal. But now, there's annual, comfortable, controllable birth control.
Serious risks of Annovera include blood clots, stroke, and heart attack, which can be fatal. Smoking increases these risks, especially if you are over 35. So do not smoke and use Annovera. Other serious risks are liver problems, high blood pressure, changes in the sugar and fat levels in your blood, headache, and irregular vaginal bleeding. Don't use Annovera if you've had certain cancers, unexplained vaginal bleeding, allergy to the ingredients, are taking hepatitis C drugs, or are pregnant.
It's time we stop apologizing for the way we talk about birth control and start demanding more from it. Ask your doctor about Annovera.